another successful strategy. This is based on the manual trade. So no need any boards or no need to follow any um, support from the advanced technologies. So we have to go with this how it's going to be work out. So this is based on the binary board dot online websites. You have to go and then you have to use a manual click. You have to click the manual. So any market, you can take any market, any type of normally the type is rise and fall, okay, and duration is only one tick, okay, and then the stake I always told in the video you have to start 0.35 even though you're a big investor. 0.35 is the right starting point for the martingale strategy. Okay, so this is a default martingale with the 2.2, no need to change anything. So this is a first thing you have to set up while you open the binary board dot online. The next important setup in the uh, left side of yours, there is a lot of information, supportive outcomes is there, mostly based on the uh, technical support like tick movements, okay, overall tick movements whether it is up or not. So this particular status is based on the technical support overall. What is overall is a strong buy or strong sell, but this is the case of the patterns is very important. It's is based on the tick movement, okay, so based on the tick movement. Lot of YouTubers they can develop the board which is based on the tick predictors, okay, right, tick captures, okay. So what you have to do is you have to download the software and then you have to identify the 10 average movements, right, 10 average movements. Let's say you have to click if it is a pip, previous pip is rise means you have to click rise, previous tip is fall, low means fall means you have to click fall. So this time you have to click 10 times. The overall is up and down is a deciding factor of your next trade. The next trade also you have to put immediately. You cannot delay it. Okay, so the meanwhile you have to concentrate on your martingale or anything. Let's say if you're going with, I'm just show you the one. Okay, right, so binary.com. I'm going with the basic websites. Okay, if you're opening this particular type of tick picker, you have a lot, you can see the YouTubers, they given free boards for the tick picker, but the tick picker is you have to click manually and finally you have to find out the way purchase or sales immediately you have to put, and then meanwhile you have to concentrate to change the stake and immediately you have to put the martingale again. What is the problem here is if you are using these kind of manual strategies, after one period, let's say if you're using half an hour, 1 hour, you become tired, especially changing the martingales, and then every time, every single pips you have to click the uh, tick pickers to select your 10 averages. But what is the best usage of this binary board dot online? So already they have a average here, average of 25 ticks, average of 50 ticks, and average of 100 ticks. Okay, so we just using this strategy, manual strategy based on average movement. What is the highest movement? We are just even not necessary to go with the 5 ticks. I am just using the only 1 tick. You can try with the 2 ticks, 3 ticks, 3 ticks, 5 ticks, anything you can try your own. Okay, this is a base strategy. Okay, so but normally I used here for this today's strategy I use 25 ticks. Okay, if the 25 ticks is above 55 percentage, okay, I repeat again, if the 25 ticks above 55 ticks, that is the time you have to put the trade according to the direction. Let's say here mostly on selling we have to expect sell soon. Okay, so if it is above 55, let's say here is purchase, so I'm just using the purchase because it is above 55. Just one ticket. Okay, so you have to follow. Okay, so you have to follow only one tick. I think I accidentally clicked. Okay, so don't forget, don't fast in putting the trade. You have to wait until it reaches above 55. Okay, sometimes it's take time, so for your convenience, don't change the strategies. Okay, you have to wait enough. You need a patience to reach until their 55 percentage. So that is very important for this strategy because we are going with a very micro trade. So you have to be very concentrate. So now is a buy. So I'm going to put buy trade. So we have to wait for another, yes, of course, it's coming very fast. Sometimes it's very slow, sometimes you get the trade very fast, repeatedly you get. So depends upon the market movement, you will get the trade. Oh, it's already is down. So don't rush to make a trade. So it's above 56. So now I'm going to put the trade again. So we have to wait, yes, sell. Again it's sell, but I have to wait for a while. Yes, it reaches the right time to enter to the sell. So it's become buy now. Okay, you have to put. So the perfect entry is very important. By practicing, it's become used to it to find out the right way. So this is a way you have to. So you have to wait for the right time to enter the next trade. Okay, hope all of you understand. I repeat again. So this is a manual strategy. So based on the 100 index I put today, so I use tick 1 and then martingale factor as 2.1. The main success is here. So you have to use these average ticks. So I'm taking the average ticks which is above 55 percentage. So that is the time to put your trade. Okay, so be patient. So I will next video I will give you some other strategies is same based on the tick trade. Okay, another successful trade maybe in the next video. Thanks for watching. Happy trading.